night is still, the stars burn low. I hear your song, a gentle glow. Every whisper hangs in the air. I close my eyes, but you're still there. The world feels heavy, shadows creep, but your melody calls me from the deep. You're my nightingale in the dark. Your voice ignites a fragile spark. Even as the world slips away, your song will guide me. Memories drift like autumn leaves, soft and tender, they never leave. Every note you left behind plays again inside my mind. The night feels endless, I feel alone, yet your song has gently brought me home. You're my nightingale in the dark. Your voice ignites a fragile spark. Even as the world slips away, your song will guide me night and day. Through storms, through tears, through endless skies, your voice is the light that never dies. I'll hold it close, I'll let it stay. Your song will never fade away. You're my nightingale in the dark. Your voice ignites a fragile spark. Even as the world slips away, your song will guide me night and day. Echoes linger, soft and true. My nightingale, I hear you.